Hey and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video we will find the best team planner by comparing Trello and Monday.com. If you're looking for the best team planner in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Monday.com markets itself as a work OS, work operating system. And for good reason. This isn't just project management. It's an all-in-one powerhouse of an app, organizing everything your team could possibly want to organize, no matter how complex. Another collaborative feature that deserves a shout-out is Work Canvas, a Miro-like platform that allows your team to ideate on a digital whiteboard. You can use it to plan Kanban workflows, design complex Gantt charts, and create Scrum boards. Besides its Work OS project management tool, Monday also offers 3 separate products, each at an additional cost: Monday CRM, Monday Dev, for product and dev teams, and Monday Service, for IT and support teams. Each Trello board represents a project, and within each board, you create lists to categorize stages of your project. Then, you add cards to your lists to represent individual tasks. Meanwhile, Monday is trickier to navigate, especially when you first dig in. You'll need to customize your columns, create specific views, and manually set up your done statuses. Both apps have templates that reduce the learning curve and make it quick to get started. Monday's templates tend to be slicker than Trello's and, helpfully, each comes equipped with detailed instructions showing how to use it. Trello has an edge on template quantity, though. In the project management category of templates, for example, Monday has 4 options while Trello offers 19. Monday's dashboards aggregate data and metrics across all your projects onto one clean visual interface. With over 50 widgets and apps available, you can just drag and drop the elements you need into the dashboard interface. Trello's dashboard view is comparatively simple. It gives you a bare-bones set of data, like cards per list, that explains how team members interact with your board. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.